So on Tuesday, July 22nd, 2025, I rode with Trooper Daniel Burkley. I actually met this guy in the past on another ride along. We were checking out this guy's like car because not his car, for like we're doing like a VIN check or something, but like he was out for a bit because his car, like, he hit a deer or something. That was kind of, but onto the ride along. He picked me up at a Home Depot, and he was telling me that like that morning he like hurt his foot. He was playing around with his kid, and he like fell into not like a little hole and twisted his ankle. So he was kind of going through it today, but it's whatever. We went up north, and we were at this T intersection off of 69, and we were just gonna catch people who were running the stop sign. So I remember we got like somebody for So we found somebody running the stops. So we got like a lot of stops, people just running the stop sign. And then we got this one like older person, like he was like 89, or I think his wife was driving. She was like 86 or something. This old couple, and I'm like, bro, how y'all still driving? And like while that stop was going on, I see a truck drive past us and get onto the I-69. As the stop was concluding, and he had no license plate. So I'm like fiending, I ain't gonna lie. I was like, bro, get your ass in the car. And as he gets in his car, I'll tell him, yo, I just seen somebody drive past us who didn't have no license plate. And he was like, all right, well, let's go. So we immediately speed off, and I'm trying to describe the truck to him, like saying it had like an American flag on like the windshield or something, on the back windshield. We called up to it. He's like, oh, well, there it is. So we pulled him over, and then somebody else pulled over too. And turns out that this couple just like bought this truck, and they're just transferring home. So he showed us information like the title and all that good stuff. And the wife was just there, or girlfriend was just there, so this wouldn't happen. And after that, I don't know, we might just give him like a warning or something. But this dude Burkley was just trying to get his contacts, to note that state troopers don't have like quotas, but like they have expectations. They're expected to have like around 10 to 12 contacts. Contacts meaning like warnings, tickets, arrests, whatever. Have at least 10 of those. So he kind of just like went back to that intersection and just busted out. Like, it's 10 contacts. A lot of people just running the stop sign, like just not coming to a place to up. We pull him over. This is a really quick one. He just wanted to make sure he got it done. So very smooth day. So yeah, that was my day.